These young doctors are pleading with the Department of Health to place them in public hospitals, some to do their internships, others to do their community service. Each has their own story. This 28-year-old graduated from Wits University in 2015 and she did her 2-year internship at a Gauteng hospital. As a recipient of a bursary from the Gauteng provincial government, she now has to be placed at a hospital in the province to do her community service.
My hopes and dreams was obviously to serve my community, because that's where it all stems from. When you grow up and you see people around you falling sick, you always think, is there something that I can do?
The Soweto-born woman says this year she should be doing exactly that, serving her community, but instead she's sitting at home doing nothing.
I felt disappointed in the system, disappointed in the situation that's happening, saddened basically, because I don't know what the solution is.
Now I ask myself every single morning when I wake up why I did this.
Oluwatumisia Debanji is a qualified nurse and medical school graduate. She's a permanent resident of South Africa who's originally from Nigeria. Because she completed her medical degree in South Africa, she has to do both her internship and community service here so that she can get a license to operate independently. She graduated last year, a moment she had dreamed of since she was 9 years old.
It's burdensome on my parents. My brother is in university now. I was supposed to be helping out to pay the fees, but it's still on them. So I think it's just unfair. There are different stories represented out there. There are people whose families are waiting for breadwinners. And the concern now is if they're struggling with our placement now, what happens to our colleagues coming behind us?
The stories are many. And with each day that goes by without these young doctors being placed, South Africa's medical service continues to lose out on their skills. The health department acknowledges a shortage of spaces available for training, but it says it's not aware of any South African graduates who have not been placed. As for foreign nationals, it encourages them to apply for permanent residence status. The department also says it will have to study each student's situation on a case-by-case basis. Zikhona Tshona, Johannesburg.